afternoon, guys. We just came home from town. We're meeting Tom's subscriber. So this time, I will show you Tom's doing food for dinner. I will show how he will prepare for our dinner tonight.
Idioba, Chicha. That's what you do to me all the time. Idioba, don't show me baking cake, cooking. Believe it or not, guess what I'm doing? I don't know. I don't know what I do. We have fresh cooked French fries here going on. We're going to actually going to have cheese fries today. As you can see, what is that over there? Sitting in that, ready to be deep fried over here. And then I'm going to make it especially good. So we're going to have what we call deep fried. We got deep frying these. We're going to take these. We'll put them in an oven. Now if I had some chili with it, I'd make some chili cheese fries. But we've got some cheese, because guess what? We forgot the ketchup. So we'll just have cheese fries with no ketchup. But it'll be very good. Hope everybody enjoys it. This is the first time they ever had it. Guess what I have right here? I have my butter and my Tabasco, which red hot sauce right here ready to go for my wings. So it'll be ready to for everybody to enjoy.
What are you saying?
I don't want this to become a habit, because if I have to do this, I have to do it all the time. Hold on. No. I don't mind. I saw these wings. I decided to cook me some wings, so we're going to have some wings. And normally I would take these wings and I would grill them. So it would be called twice grilled. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to fry them, deep fry them, toss them in some very nice, wonderful sauce. Maybe stick it up for a couple minutes, just kind of get it hot, and then we'll eat.
Tom is deep fry the chicken wings. And after this one, we will put in the oven. I'll put in the oven, right?
Yeah.
So,
I'm going to put it in there.
this one, after frying the potato, deep fry, put cheese on the top and put in the oven. That's what you call cheese fry.